morning, cyclists. Today is Tuesday, September 27th, 2022. Started a bike ride at 9:38 a.m. I waited a little bit because at 7:30 the temperature was 57 degrees. I needed it to be a little warmer than that. While I was waiting, I watched part of the tour of Croatia. I'll finish watching the last 40 kilometers when I get back. I'm riding the Lynskey Helix bike today. Before the bike ride, I aired up the tires to around 80 psi. I figured since I aired up the Cervelo bike tires yesterday, I better air up the Lynskey tires. Weather, 74 degrees. Humidity is 52%. The cool front has arrived. It's mostly clear, winds out of the north at 6 miles an hour. Today's ride, going to go south through Atascocita, through Walden, east over Lake Houston, Fair Lake Lane, Old Atascocita Road, down to Spanish Cove Drive, and then up to Huffman on FM 2100, west on FM 1960, and then back through Atascocita to Kingwood. I'm at Pinehurst Trail Drive and FM 1960. Road construction has moved traffic over to the new lanes, so we're a little further out. 14.1 miles times 10:45 a.m. Lake Houston, lots of sunshine, got a strong headwind. I'm riding east. Two cars or trucks at the church. Look like cyclists. I'm on Fair Lake Lane, headed into the S-curve. Still on Fair Lake Lane, approaching cyclist. .1 miles. Time is 12 minutes after 11. The wind is from my left. Riding south on FM 2100. I'll make the U-turn at Spanish Cove Drive up ahead of the traffic lights. .8 miles, times 18 minutes after 11. Average speeds 13.3 miles an hour. a boater out enjoying the beautiful day on Lake Houston. They're putting down the rebar, getting ready to pour concrete. Right up in 1960 in Atascocita shores. Riding on King's Crossing Drive.